Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And I get this email here and there about this time of the year. People are getting geared up to do their first application, and the email will kind of go like this. Hey Pete, I mixed up my round one in my sprayer, and I went out, I charged my battery, went out and to spray, and my pump won't come on. My sprayer's not working. What do I do? So depending on what you mix, you might can leave the contents of your sprayer in there a day or so. Really wouldn't go much over that. Get the issue resolved and then go out and apply the material. If you have to tear down your sprayer, you can transfer it from here into like some bigger jugs or something and then spray it later. Again, a couple of days. I really don't like mixed product sitting in a tank or in a jug for extended periods of time. But let me show you a trick that I do so that you do away with all that. I do this every single time I spray. Every single time. It's like clockwork. I do not take for granted that my Flow Zone or my Strom sprayer or whatever battery power sprayer that you might have, I don't take that for granted that it's just going to automatically work. These things are man-made. That means they will fail from time to time. It's real simple. I knew that today I was going to spray the yard and the bluegrass back there, so I charged up my battery last night, give it a good full charge. I come out here, I just put me a half a gallon of water in it, turn the power on, and I check it with water to make sure it's pumping right, it's going to spray right, and all that kind of thing before I mix my chemical or my product or my fertilizer or my bios or whatever I'm putting in here to spray on the yard. Water first. I always do it. It's like an anal habit I have of doing that every single time I spray. No matter how many times I spray throughout the year, I do it every single time. That way I don't get stuff mixed in here and then I find out after the fact that my pump don't work or my battery don't work or whatever. Now, if you have a pump problem, a battery problem, whatever, you need to contact Flow Zone if you have a Flow Zone sprayer, or contact Strom if you have a Strom sprayer. Those companies do the warranty and the guarantee on, that's their product, not mine. So we don't guarantee it or warranty it. Or, I don't mind troubleshooting and helping you, but at the end of the day, you need to go back to the manufacturer for that. Now, how did I come up with this? Well, I learned a lesson a long time ago. I mixed up 500 gallons of finished solution, getting ready to head out and go spray some yards for the day. Come to find out the diaphragms in my pump had a hole in them and the pump wouldn't work right. So that was a hard lesson learned, and obviously this is on a much smaller scale, but the concept still applies. Always check your sprayer with water. It only takes 10 seconds to put your little half a gallon in there or something just to make sure everything's working right. That'll save you a lot of trouble moving forward. As always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.